My name is Patrick Leonard. I teach IT and computer science here in Wilberforce College. I've taught IT for the last 12 years. I did a master's degree in Ireland in 2007, and shortly after that I went to work for a company called Sony Ericsson, worked for them for a while. Long story short, moved over to the UK in 2011, and I've been working here in IT ever since. On the extended diploma in IT course, there are 13 units altogether. These units are probably too many to name now, but they include units such as programming. We do spreadsheets, which is also called data modeling. We do other units as well, like games design. We do networks, and I also teach the computer games development unit. And on those units, as I say, they all comprise a certain number of points, which collate into like a total. And from that total, a BTEC grade is awarded. And based on that, then you are awarded UCAS points. So, for example, if you're going to university, you can actually use that total to, hopefully achieve enough points to achieve the place you want in university. Yes, we do. Yeah, every year we go to a festival called EGX. EGX is Europe's largest gaming event. We've been there at least twice in the last couple of years, going to see the latest releases of games, even before they come onto the market. For example, we went and we participated in an event there where we actually played Red Dead Redemption 2 on the new PS5 before either of those things were released to the market. So it was a great way for students in our course to actually develop an appreciation and get like a sort of a sneak preview of what was coming down the line in gaming development. IT and computer science offers so many pathways into computing and into like employment in industry in general. It affects so many areas of our lives, things like healthcare, communications, education even. So as I say, IT permeates every role that you can think of in the modern workplace. Students who have participated in our course and complete our course often go on to do things like website design, database management, and also, in fact, many of our students as well have gone on to pursue careers in employment with prestigious gaming companies such as Rockstar Games and EA Sports as well. There are two principal tasks that students have to complete as part of their bridging work for the summer. The first task is to do some research on what type of IT role they wish to pursue. Maybe where do they see themselves in 5 years' time? What kind of job would they like to pursue in IT? As I said, there are many, many different roles, many different options available for people who wish to work in the industry. So first of all is to do some work with regard to researching a role in that area. The second task is to compile and write a video game review based on their experience of playing a game. It can be on any console or platform such as PC, PS4, PS5, and their job there is to put together a review of a game based, as I say, on their gameplay experience. And it should incorporate things like the theme, setting, things like previous versions of the game, what are their plans? Are there plans for a sequel, or if there is a sequel in the works with that company? Look at the sort of more business side of the production as well, and see is there information online or in another source about the business aspect of that? How is it marketed? How is it promoted? Were the voice actors in the game, did they kind of do a lot of like PR work for that based or in the immediate aftermath of the game's release? So I would like students who are, as I say, are working on their bridging task to complete a review. It should be about 700 to 800 words thereabouts, and it's due for submission in the first week that they start in Wilberforce College.